welcome to Dyana's Kitchen. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Today, guys, I want to make some yellow rice and I want to share it with you. All right, let's start, guys. All right, guys, so I have 2 packs of rice here, guys, that I'm going to use to make my yellow rice. If you want to learn to make it from scratch, I already have a video. I will definitely link the video down below. All right, once I upload this video. Okay, so I'm going to use some long-laid butter, all right, in my yellow rice. All right, and the brand of this rice name is Mahatma. I hope I'll call the name right. All right, so let's start. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna start my rice. I'm gonna cook it in a rice cooker. All right, if you don't have a rice cooker, just use the regular pot. And if you're gonna use the regular pot, let it cook for 20 minutes. All right, but once you use a rice cooker, all you have to do is just pour in your rice and just pour in your 3.5 cups of water and put in some butter or some oil. All right, and you set it and forget it in your rice cooker. So I'm gonna put my 2 packs of rice in my rice cooker. You don't need salt. All you need is some butter or a little olive oil. You know, because you need it nice and tasty. I'm gonna throw between 3.5 to 4 cups of water in my rice cooker. Okay. But if you're doing it on the stove top, you want to put more water because the package said 3.5 cups of water for each package. Okay. I'm going to put some butter. I'm not going to put any olive oil. I'm just going to put some butter. Okay. So, you know, I'm going to use my favorite butter. You know, I absolutely love the long-laid butter. So I'm going to use the long-laid butter. I just tip a little bit more water. So that would be like 4 cups of water. Because before I put 3.5 cups and then I put another 1/2 cups. Okay. So I'm just mixing up my rice to get the lumps out.
Hi guys, this is Dyana, and right now I'm showing you what I made for my mom. I made her some egg in a heart shape, egg with bell pepper, a fruit kebab, bacon, Texas toast, and some waffles, guys. Make sure to show all your moms some love on this wonderful day on Mother's Day. Love you, Mom. I hope you enjoy your day to the fullest. Bye.
Here is my yellow rice, looking all beautiful, guys. Look at that. Looks so yummy, so yummy. So this is my complete dish, looking delicious, ready to eat. So guys, if you watch the video and you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave me a comment. All right, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.